How to half swipe on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to teach you how you can use the half swipe technique in Snapchat to read messages without sending a read receipt even on the newest version. So what exactly is half swipe? Half swiping lets you peek at a chat by gently swiping it from the left without fully opening it. So this allows you to see the text messages without the sender knowing that you've read it. It works on both Android and iOS devices, but only for the text messages, not snaps. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Then go to the conversation tab. And here, find the conversation that you want to pick at. Then after, gently swipe right, sliding into their chat screen, just enough to see the message, and release your finger to close the preview. The chat will still be marked as new or unopened. And be careful, if you swipe too fast, you'll fully open the chat, and the sender will be notified. Remember, this only works for text messages, not photos or snaps. And if you also have Snapchat Plus and the other person has Pick a Pic enabled, they will see eye icon while you're half swiping. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.